A baby has been born in Texas at the center of a high-stakes legal battle involving a surrogate and the baby's intended parents. McKenna West, an Alaska woman serving as a gestational surrogate, refused a request from the intended parents to terminate the pregnancy after doctors discovered the fetus had hypoplastic left heart syndrome, a serious heart condition. West traveled to Texas, where the legal dispute intensified. A Dallas County judge ordered that the newborn receive necessary medical treatment and remain in Texas while the case continues. The baby was born in the Dallas area on August 12, 2026, and is receiving care from pediatric specialists. The two sides disagree over parental rights and who should make medical decisions. The case could become an important test of parental rights and surrogacy agreements in Texas. Follow USA Uncovered for updates as this story develops.
I'm telling you now why you should stay